Dear colleagues, my name is António João Lopes and I am an ICT teacher from a Portuguese school, Escola Secundária de Esmoriz. During this school year, I teach students aged 15 to 18 years old that are enrolled in a multimedia professional course. My school, Escola Secundária de Esmoriz, is a secondary school located in Esmoriz, a small town in the north of Portugal near the city of Oporto. In the last 2 years, I had the opportunity to work in partnership with a colleague from Lithuania, Nicole Brozait, in the coordination of 2 collaborative eTwinning projects on augmented reality, Digital Explorers and SMART. I also had the opportunity to collaborate with teachers in the steering group of the pilot project METP, Monitoring eTwinning Practice. These projects provided great opportunities for the implementation of collaborative learning environments in the classroom. Digital Explorers was my first eTwinning project. During this project, we did a video conference session using Skype. During this session, students had the opportunity to answer a quiz which was designed in Kahoot. This questionnaire contains several questions designed in collaboration by the teachers involved in the project. In this project, we implemented formative and summative assessment methods supported by Web 2.0 applications. Prior to the implementation of the project, we developed a checklist with several rubrics for assessing students about these items of our project: creativity, autonomy, cooperation, quality of work, and presentation of the project. These items were presented to students at the beginning of the project. A numeric scale from 5 to 1 was used, which allowed teachers to assign a grade to each student involved in the project. SMART was my second eTwinning project. During this project, we used several assessment methods. Individual assessment was done by the analysis and observation of the work carried out by the students and by their participation and contribution to the project. Students prepared and maintained individual portfolios using Lino and Padlet applications. Students were organized into small working groups and asked to perform collaborative tasks. Peer review was done by students in collaboration with their partners. For this purpose, we use TeamUp, an application that facilitates the organization and management of small group assessment. TeamUp allows the publication of materials produced by each group of students, which are then made available for review. TeamUp records students' group work through audio transcripts, which can be used for the presentation of their conclusions. Reflecting on the work I've been involved in through eTwinning projects, I can identify the following benefits of collaborative learning assessment. It is a student-centered process, promotes students' involvement in the assessment tasks, promotes students' responsibility and motivation towards the learning process, promotes self-reflection and students' argumentation, students can learn socially from each other, promotes digital literacy through the use of digital Web 2.0 applications, and promotes the development of 21st century skills and competencies. The main challenges I experience in assessing collaborative learning: the changing role of the teacher and the students in the classroom, the group dynamics. Students must have a positive attitude and receptivity towards their involvement in the assessment. The group assessment versus the individual assessment. The management of teams, groups of students, so that everyone participates and collaborates in the activities. The time available to prepare and apply the assessment of collaboration in the classroom. So, these are my proposed solutions to solve those problems. Assessing collaborative learning requires regular communication between peers. Digital tools can be used to support teachers' planning activities. The use of collaborative digital tools enables teachers to efficiently observe students' groups and deliver feedback. Digital tools can also support students to publish and share their assessments. Reorganizing the classroom space can introduce more collaboration-friendly dynamics in the classroom. More interdisciplinary teaching and sharing of materials amongst teachers also facilitates collaborative teaching. To finish my presentation, I want to share with you some questions for reflection. In collaborative learning situations, should students' outcomes be assessed in a different way than the traditional way? Is the way we assess collaborative learning independent of the curriculum and of the student's age group? Can it be applied to all disciplines and classes? In a collaborative learning environment, how do we articulate individual assessment with group assessment? In collaborative learning environments, is it more important to focus on the process or on the product when grading students' performance? Thank you very much for your attention. I hope that you enjoyed the presentation and I wish you all lots of success in this course.